Hi, in this video, I will show you how to navigate around the newly redesigned APU Home interface. In case you are not familiar with APU Home, this is Azusa Pacific University's student portal where you can access all of your academic information and make changes to your schedule, finances, and other personal details. Let's look at an overview of what you can do on APU Home, starting with the dashboard. The dashboard is the main landing page where you will see a summary of your most important information organized into 3 tabs: General, Academics, and Financials. The General tab shows your to-dos, notifications, and other things that might need your immediate attention. Academics shows your grades and schedules for classes and exams, and Financials currently just shows your financial aid information, though you can expect new widgets to be released in the future. Speaking of widgets, you can customize which widgets are visible on your dashboard by clicking on Edit My Widgets on the top right of your screen. Or if you're on a mobile device, you can click on the Edit icon in the same location. Next, let's take a look at the side menu, which you can use to quickly navigate around APU Home from any screen. If your side menu is collapsed or not visible, you might want to click on the Expand/Collapse button on the top left side of your screen. Or if you're on a mobile device, you can click on the little drawer icon on the left-hand side of your screen. This side menu has a few different types of buttons. The ones with the square icon are external links that will take you outside of APU Home to a different website such as Canvas or Gmail, while the buttons without that icon will take you to different pages within APU Home, such as your class schedule. Finally, there are folders in the side menu with many more features for things like managing your schedule, adding or dropping classes, and customizing your personal information. One more thing to note about menus is that some screens have a quick action menu for certain features like adding and dropping classes. These menus show a condensed view of all of the actions you can take for the class or other item that you clicked on. For example, when enrolling in a class, you might find it more convenient to enroll via the quick action menu, but you can also just scroll down and click on the enroll button if you prefer. Finally, when you're all done using APU Home, you might want to log out to protect your privacy. You can access the logout button by clicking on your profile picture or your name on the bottom left side of your screen, and then just click Log Out.